Hi everyone, I'm Mike. This is my plant. He doesn't actually help me teach, but he does provide some moral support. I'd like to start with a question. Well, okay, it's actually a bit of a joke. What is a statistician? A statistician is someone who has his head in an oven, his feet in a bucket of ice, and he says, on average, I feel fine. What's that? Oh, come on, it wasn't that bad. I'm sure some of them liked it. Anyway. Thank you for considering this course on mastering statistics and machine learning. I guess you are here either because you don't know anything about statistics but you want to learn, or because you kind of get statistics. Maybe you've taken a course or you've watched some videos or read a stats book, but you feel like you're lacking intuition or a more rigorous mathematical foundation of statistical analyses. Or maybe you've studied statistics before from like an old school abstract textbook and you want to learn how to apply statistics in computer code in Python or in MATLAB. Or maybe you're here just because you're curious. This course is an in-depth deep dive into the world of modern and applied statistics and machine learning. Now, I could stand here and tell you that you should just impulsively enroll in this course immediately, right away. But I don't think that's the right message. Instead, what I encourage you to do now is take a few moments to watch some of the preview videos below, skim through the course landing page, and look over the list of topics that I cover in this course, and make an informed decision about whether this is the right course for you, whether this course is going to benefit you. And I also encourage you to check out the reviews of this course and have a look at the reviews of some of my other courses, so you can see that my students are generally quite positive about how much dedication and work I put into creating the courses and also maintaining them by adding new content and engaging in discussions in the question answer forum. Anyway, I hope you decide that you are motivated and excited to gain expertise in statistics, theory, and applications, and you decide that this course is worth your time and investment. I look forward to seeing you inside.